We have some turkey bacon, egg whites. So I'm back from the store and I started cooking breakfast. It's gonna be good. And then I'm gonna eat breakfast, hop in the shower, and then head to Pensacola. We are ready to go. Just finished straightening my hair. Just have on some leggings, flip-flops, and this flowy shirt. And yeah, we will see you in just a bit. So I'm about to head out to go to Pensacola. Right now it's raining, so yeah, we're probably just gonna hang out and chill. My friend Candace, she has 2 little babies, so I'm really excited to see them. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna take you guys along the ride with me, and what are you watching? Shrek?
Shrek. Right.
Candace, say hey to the vlog.
Hey, what's up?
Everybody, this is Candace.
She doesn't spit up a lot, at least not yet.
Say hey.
Hey.
We're playing hide and seek.
Behind the door. Oh, go in there. Go. Look. Come here. Chloe, stop.
You found me!
No, that's like.
Candace whipping up fajitas.
What's up?
I see.
Riley in her underwear.
Peppers.
Peppers.
Riley, what are you making?
Yes.
Say fajitas.
Yes.
Fajitas.
What you got in your hand?
What's that? The
Peppers.
Peppers.
What colors?
You guys always.
Yeah, very good.
Say hi. Hello. Hi. So, the cops showed up to Candace's house. We didn't call them though. Somebody's getting a ticket. world, like not comparable. But the only place that sells decent bagels, at least that I know of in this area, is this place that I'm gonna go to, and then I'm gonna head home. I have some laundry to do and like adulting stuff today that I just wish I was back in like 7th grade and did not have to do anything on Sundays, and it was just to chill out, watch Disney Channel all day, and like life was nice. But I'm gonna try to edit and upload this vlog for you guys. Like I said, I'm new at the whole vlogging thing, so it might not be the best vlog you've ever seen, and it probably won't be the best vlog you've ever seen, but if you're here for it, I mean, give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Damn, I can't even see. Yeah, so we're gonna head to Bagel Heads and get a breakfast sandwich because I've kind of been craving one. So hopefully Gino comes home soon. He did like a guys weekend in Destin, and I just don't want to be home by myself all day. But we'll see. So to Bagel Heads we go. Y'all, an everything bagel toasted with jalapeno cream cheese. Oh, it's so good. So good. This Jersey girl is happy right now.